The psychology of patience, understanding the mindset of successful traders. Some of you are struggling due to the fact that you're holding yourself back. You're not checking Forex Factory for news in the morning. You're not sticking to your stop loss. You're not sticking to your rules. You're not sticking to your entry criteria. Yet you say you want to be profitable. You say you want to get to the next level, and it's not true. I want to understand and break down where your low points are, where your weak points are, where you're not succeeding, and correct them today. Understanding the mindset of successful traders. Let's get into it. Key takeaways from psychology of patience. Patience is essential for trading success and in life. If you guys don't wait for things, if you're hasteful, if you move quickly without thinking, you're going to destroy yourself over time. Every single decision you make within life, on the charts, outside of the charts, make sure you pause, think logically. Will this decision benefit me if I make this? In a trading sense, do I know my stop loss? Let me pause. Is this entry a really good entry? Is this a key area of resistance or support I'm planning to enter at? Emotional control drives better decision making. You guys need to control yourselves. I don't care how much bread you're up. I don't care how much bread you're down. Close. If stop loss gets hit, close that trade. If take profit get hit, close that trade. Don't get greedy. Don't destroy your whole system and be like, oh, what if I can make more? What if I can get some more profit? Oh, what if price will reverse? What if price will go my way? And then stop loss will go to break even. I'll close then. No. You're destroying yourself. You're desperate. Control yourself. In order to get to the next level, you have to take yourself off the hamster wheel. Get logical. If you took a loss, understand that it was most likely your fault. You can win almost every single day. Get focused. Mindfulness enhances focus and awareness. Think about what type of trade that you're going to get into. Will this trade be able to be held for a couple of hours, a couple of minutes, a couple of days? Understand the type of setup that you're getting into. If you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, don't expect to be holding trades for days if you're playing against trend, especially that. Okay? You're going to want to take your time, plan your setup out, trade with the trend. That way you guys can kick your feet up and price action might even burst way more than you expect. Key concepts. Delayed gratification. The ability to resist immediate rewards for long-term gains and success. Relax. The setup is going to come. The entry will come eventually, inshallah, if God wills. Take your time. Some of you guys are rushing. I gotta make bread right now. I gotta make some bread today. I gotta make some bread right now. It's not how trading works. Wait for the setup. Let the setup come to you. Work on your analyzation. Work on identifying key areas of support and resistance. Impulsivity. Acting on urge without careful thought, often leading to regrettable decisions. Some of you guys are just getting in due to FOMO candles. A big burst of a green candle, a big burst of a red candle. Oh, let me just get in. And then boom, you get wicked back on, and then you close red, and then it keeps going. Absolute nonsense. You're destroying your account, you're destroying yourself, you're destroying your mental. You're not playing within a systematic way, and if you continue to do that, you're not going to progress the way that you want to. Trust me. Psychological principles. Mindset and emotional control. So, your mindset is going to be imperative to everything that you do. Stay positive. I don't care if you took a loss. I don't care if you just won. Stay positive. If you just took a if you just took a win, don't get greedy. Don't get overconfident. Don't think I'm the best. I can never lose. Because I promise you, if you make a mistake, if you lose yourself, if you get lost within the profit instead of getting lost within the process, you can easily destroy yourself. And that green streak can easily turn into a red streak. Same thing if you're in a red streak. Stay positive. Clean up your system. You're probably doing something wrong. You're probably impatient. You're probably just frustrated. Paper trade if you need. Take a step back, identify what you're doing wrong, and progress from there. Emotional control. Some of you guys are crashing out your account. You can't believe that stop loss just got hit. You can't believe that you were wrong today. How do you expect to get to the next level if you're not being real with yourself? If you're not accepting reality? You can't climb to the essence that you want to if you're not accepting reality. Strategies for patience. Mindfulness. Be mindful of what you're doing. Did I just hit take profit? Okay, I should close. Let me just get out. Let me not see if it's going to break past, because you might get reversed on and just lose some profit unnecessarily, messing up your risk to reward. Be mindful of what you're doing. Don't just do anything. Be mindful. Think. Goal setting. If you guys have some profit targets, if you guys have some consistency targets, I want to win 10 trades this month. I want to make $500 this month. Set some goals. That's going to make you guys hungrier. That's going to make you guys more patient. That's going to make you guys a lot more strict on yourself in order to get to the next level. Okay? So set some goals. Key concepts. Cognitive biases. Judgments influenced by personal beliefs and perceptions. So, understand that if price is clearly dumping down and you're in calls or you're in a long position, you're probably wrong. And that's okay. But don't let your bias of, oh no, market has to go up today. Market has to go up today. It has to do this. Market doesn't have to do anything. We're here to react to the market, not predict. Okay? Because that prediction can conflict with your ego, and you guys can think that you're absolutely not wrong. Okay? And let me tell you something. Ego in trading is going to be a no. If you guys have an ego within the market, you will be humbled quickly. You will lose all your profits, and you'll have everything taken away from you. Okay? Risk management. Strategies to minimize potential trading losses effectively. Practice your risk management. Some of you guys are trading with 50% of your account. One trade, blowing it all. Just took the whole work check, everything you've just worked for the past 2 weeks for, and then you lose it all in one trade because you want to make some bread so bad. You want to get rich so bad. Take your time. You should only be playing between 1 to 10% of your account at a time. Okay? Nothing more. Nothing more. Ever. I don't care what level you guys get. 5 figures, 6 figures, 7 figures. You should never be trading with more than maximum 10% of your account at a time. That's going to give you 10 trades before you blow your account. Okay? 10 trades before you blow your account. Emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing your own emotions in trading. So, if you're crashing out, if you notice you have a lot of anxiety, you have a lot of fear, if you notice you're antsy, just get off the charts. Take a break, go pray, go shower, go do what you need to do, and just get off. Because the setup will always be there. There's always going to be another setup. But I promise you guys, if you're not trading within an environment where your psychological mental state is balanced and you're imbalanced, that can destroy your profit. That can destroy lots and lots of hours of grinding, winning setups, and hours of getting profit from real life that you put in your account. Okay? Behavioral patterns. Recurring actions influenced by psychological factors in trading. React for yourself. How do you act when you win? Are you overexcited? Are you greedy? Are you nervous? Like, whoo, I won. Ooh, finally, the trade's over. Or how do you act when you lose? Do you crash out? Do you get emotional? Do you think that trading's not for you? Are you ready to quit? Study yourself. Journal that. Okay? Get to a balanced state. Whether you win or lose, you should react the same. Okay, it is what it is. Unless you did absolutely abysmal and you know it's your fault, I understand. But if it's just a casual entry, just didn't work out, stop loss got hit. It is what it is. Stay balanced. Get on to the next day. Don't crash out your account. Stay focused. Milestones in trading psychology. So in the 1950s, behavioral finance began to emerge. That's when people started trading forex and stuff like that, etc. And within the 80s, focus on psychological factors in trading came into play. At this point, people started getting greedy within the market. Trading started becoming a little bit more popular. People started getting into stocks, etc. And within the 2010s and the 2020s, mindfulness practices gained popularity among traders, okay? Such as just not trading anything, not trading at key levels of support or resistance, and really just losing yourself. A lot of people are becoming a lot more aware of what they're doing, which is why it's more important than ever to be strict on yourself. The competition is there. Trading is called trading for a reason. When you're winning, somebody's losing, and when you're losing, somebody's winning. Okay? Psychological of patience. Phase 1, the introduction of patience and strategies. So, if you finally understand, okay, this is how I see support and resistance, wait for the setup to come to you. Don't get impatient. Don't get imbalanced. Don't just start doing anything on the block. Wait for the setup to come to you. Don't destroy your account by scalping. Don't destroy your account by playing garbage levels where price is going to be choppy at. Take your time. Phase 2, technology alters trading behavior significantly. Okay? You guys can use alerts. Use the technology available for you on TradingView. There's going to be things like alerts, so you don't have to sit there and watch the setups all day where you guys are scared to get in and get out. Okay? Phase 3, examples, highlighting patience in trading. Okay? The main reason why most people aren't profitable is because A, they don't know how to keep profit and the risk management is completely off. They might be a decent trader, but their psychology is off on the greed factor. Or B, they are scared, they are a nervous trader, and they don't think trading is for them, and every time they do it, they're not playing at key levels, not waiting for the setup to come to them, and just crashing out, trying to scalp, trying to match the other profit that people are making. Studies reveal psychological trading outcomes. Okay? So all of these factors have been studied, and you guys can just analyze and see where people's weak points are and make them your strong suits. That's how you succeed on the charts and in life, inshallah. Patience, discipline, and emotional control. Focusing on long-term trading success. Don't get into trading thinking that it's going to be a get-rich-quick scheme, thinking that you're just going to run it up really, really fast. You might run up some bands quickly. It's not about that. You can also lose some bands quickly if you don't have balance, achieving balance in trading strategies. I don't care how much you guys are winning. I don't care how much you guys are losing. Maintain emotional balance. Maintain structure within your risk management. Maintain structure within your entry criteria. Trading is already random. We don't generally know if the chart is going to go up or down, but we do have the best idea by playing the higher time frame levels and identifying where price has heavy reactions at, and just playing the opposites of those and waiting for price to invalidate itself, which I teach in StackMODE.net. Resisting impulsive decisions and actions. Don't just get in because you see prices bursting. Wait for price to get to a key level of support or resistance and then take your trade. Your trade should ideally look like this if you're in a long, or it should look like this if you're in a short. Okay? Okay? That's how it should look. Three out of 4 traders who practice patience succeed, and 65% of successful traders hold longer positions. 15 studies, research supports patience benefits. The data is there. If you guys just wait, use alerts, like I teach you guys in my mentorship, like I teach you in my videos, let the setup come to you after you've identified it. Inshallah, you'll be able to catch some higher time frame levels, hold some trades longer, and start making some bands and get the car that you want, get the house that you want, start living the life that you want. But let it come to you on the charts. Attack other things. Go work on some business. Go work. Do something else. And then invest. If you want to learn how to trade, head to StackMODE.net. I'm here to help you guys, and always teach you how to trade crypto, futures, stock options. May God bless you guys. Make sure you guys stay prayed up in the morning. Maintain balance. Maintain structure. Be disciplined. Be resilient. Don't give up. Throughout the losses, maintain a clear head and understand that there's going to be light at the end of the tunnel. I love you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next one.